Good evening, y'all. What's up? I just wanted to come to y'all with this short video about garlic. Now, I'm talking about the raw garlic clove. So I started taking garlic, chewing on garlic early this month for health benefits. So I got some serious health issues, and I hear I read a little bit on garlic, and it's supposed to help those issues. So what I would do is every morning before I ate, I would take a piece of a clove of garlic, take the peel the leafy part off, and chew on the meat of the garlic. Chew it down really well, and then I would lug it down with some water because it can sometimes it'll cause a burning sensation. I mean, it's not painful, but it you might have to take some water, lug some water down with it. So I started taking this garlic, and at the same time, I my tooth. I had a bad tooth, and it started aching. I mean, it was sensitive to air. It was getting to the point where I couldn't even chew on it, and it started aching. So I was after a couple of days, maybe 2 or 3 days after taking the garlic every morning, I noticed that the pain resided, and it wasn't as sensitive as it was. So I think I've been taking this garlic for about 2 or 3 weeks now. There is no pain in my mouth. I can chew on that side with the bad tooth with no problems, and my tooth is barely sensitive now to, like when I drink something cold or when air hit it. I can barely feel any sensitivity. So I can't attribute that to nothing but the garlic. Now, I wasn't even taking it for the toothache. I was just going to try to go on to the dentist and tell them it's aching, and then they have to take care of it. Now, I know that y'all are wondering why I couldn't just go to the dentist in the first place. Well, I need a lot of work on my mouth. I need to get two extractions and two more fillings. Okay, so the reason why they won't I can't get it done is because I developed white coat syndrome, and every time I go to the doctor or the dentist, um, my blood pressure hits the roof. I mean, it gets too high. So when your blood pressure is high, the dentist can't do any work like that will require anesthesia, because that anesthesia by itself raises your blood pressure. So if your blood pressure is already high, it could send you into a stroke or a heart attack. So that's why I'm having problems getting this work done. So I know that when your tooth is aching, even when your blood pressure is high, they have to go on and do something about it. But at least they can cover themselves just in case something happens to me, and say, her tooth was aching, and we have to take care of it, and this is what happened. But that's the reason why, I got to get rid of this white coat syndrome. I know I developed it because for the past few years my health has been bad. It was so bad at one time I had to go to the see my primary physician every 2 weeks. That's just how bad it was. So going back and forth to the doctor that much, now I have developed white coat syndrome. So I stopped going to the doctor. I've stopped, ain't no use me going to the dentist because they're not going to do that work until I can get my blood pressure stable when I go there. So that's the issue with my blood pressure. So I just want to talk a little bit about the benefits of garlic, because I decided to look it up. And this is raw garlic. This isn't the garlic that you find on the shelf at the stores or you order online, the powdered in the capsule form. I'm not saying that it doesn't work, but that's not what I'm using. I'm trying to use, I want to use the real thing. I just want to use it raw. Okay, and I see now that it has helped me with the issue that I wasn't even taking it for. So this is what I'm sharing. So raw garlic has a lot of health benefits. Okay, it's good for the liver, pancreas, heart protection, high cholesterol, hypertension. It's an antibiotic. It's good for diabetes, and it's also good for the prevention of cancer and a lot of other ailments also. So, like I said, I every morning before I eat, I take a piece of the garlic clove, peel that leafy part off, and chew on that garlic, and then lug it down with some water. And I'm gonna keep doing that until I bring my other health issues up to par. But right now, honey, my tooth is doing good. I'm not in no pain. I ain't got to rush to the doctor, to the dentist, with this and get high blood pressure while I'm there because of this white coat syndrome that I developed, and risk, having experiencing a devastating event while I'm sitting there getting this trying to get some tooth work. So I just wanted to share that with you all. I hope it it helps someone. Definitely please share, like, and share this video. I'm pretty sure if you share it and people get a hold of it, it could help them until they can get to the dentist. Help deal with the pain until they can get the work done that they need on that bad tooth or whatever. So that's my video for y'all tonight, this morning, rather, excuse me. Thank you. Peace.